From daily routine English vocabulary words to English speaking. This is my practice today. Assalamu alaikum and welcome back to my channel. Today is day 12 of English speaking practice, and today I focused on daily routine vocabularies. So let's learn together first the daily routine vocabularies. And here is time quarter to 12. I picked out some vocabulary words of daily routine I learned out and then practice.
Okay, firstly, here is the morning vocab. Wake up, turn off the alarm, get up, make the bed, wash your face, brush your teeth, brush your hair, clip nails, put on makeup, get dressed, have breakfast. Now, before going to work, go to school, go to work, exercise, do household chores, drive to work, take a taxi, wait for the bus. Next, at work, work or take a break. Afternoon, leave school, have lunch, have a snack, take a nap, go homework. Next here, for the evening, we may use get home, take out the garbage, water the plants, feed the dog, hanging out with friends, go for a walk, play with friends. And for the night, go shopping, read newspapers, surf the net, cook dinner, have dinner. Before sleeping, take a shower, read a book, go to bed, fall asleep. Now, I'll try my best to use all these vocab in my daily routine. Okay, now let's practice.
Okay, now I try my best to use all these words in my daily routine. Okay. Every morning I woke up when the alarm rings. I turned off the alarm, get up, and make my bed neatly. Then I go to the bathroom to brush my teeth, to wash my face, to brush my hair, and clip my nails if needed. Sometimes I put on makeup and get dressed for the day. After that, I have breakfast and feel energetic. On weekends, I go to school or go to work. Before leaving, I may exercise for a few minutes and do some home chores like cleaning the room. If I go for, I drive for work, wait for a taxi and take a bus. At work, I work seriously and later on I take a break to relax. In the afternoon, I have breakfast and sometimes I have a snack. Then I do homework and complete my pending task. In the evenings, I leave the school, go to the homework, I leave the school and go to home and I take out the garbage. Sometimes I also water the plants and feed the dog. In the evenings, I uh, I meet. I hang out. I hang out with my friends and play with my friends and go for a walk. Sometimes I go shopping, and sometimes I read newspaper. Uh, and After that, I cook dinner and have dinner with my family. Before sleeping, I take a shower, read a newspaper, and go to the bed. I fall asleep and relaxed. I hope you found this video useful, and you may use these words into your daily routine, and you may also improve your daily routine by speaking English practice.